this native doctor? What are you doing here?
Which native doctor? There's nobody here.
Come on, baby. Look at him now. Look at him here. What are you doing here?
You evil man. Leave my husband alone. Leave now or I make you leave.
Steve Daniels. You are trying to be stubborn. I give you 7 days to come and marry my daughter, or you face the consequences. Do not say I did not warn you. Makeri meweke. Adashi!
Thank you so much.
No time, baby.
Father, he's the one.
Excuse you? What are you doing here? Who are these people?
Woman, listen. I am not here for your questions. Your husband here pregnanted my daughter, and he must marry her.
First thing first. Watch how you talk to my wife, else you will lose your teeth. Yes. How dare you walk into my house and lie against me? Are you mad or something? It's okay, I said shut up and listen. You are in my house. Ha! Now, take a look at my beautiful wife. Look at me. This is the standard. You don't go below. So telling me that I slept with this smelling, ugly looking thing is an insult on my wife and my personality, okay? I will not take such nonsense in my house.
Stop this lie. Stop lying. So now I have body odor. Now I have body odor. When you were telling me to position as if I want to buckle my shoe, you don't remember I have body odor. Besides, I told you to use protection, but you refuse. Now look at the outcome and you're telling me I have body odor.
Listen, I don't know who paid you all to cook up this, but trust me, I'm losing it. If you don't leave my house now with this body odor, I swear I will do something the world will regret.
You cannot do anything. Listen, let me tell you, are you trying to tell me that my daughter here is not old enough to know who pregnanted her? Is that what you're telling me?
Your daughter is not only foolish, but she's confusing and annoying and disgusting at the same time. At this age, she could not even say that this is the person that got her pregnant. That means she's a stupid young girl. And like I said before, I am losing it. Leave my house before I do something. Leave my house!
It's okay. Since you are denying it, whatever you see, you take. Makeri meweke. Adachi!
My friend, get out of my house.
Are you talking to me right now?
I'm talking to your ghost. Get out of my house.
Are you not afraid?
I said I'm losing it. Leave this place.
It's okay, you shut up also. Hey! Let's go.
My love, I'm so sorry.
Don't.
Fire. Is this a joke or something?
Young man, what are you talking about?
Manager, listen, you saw a python here.
Yeah.
We saw a python here. No, sir, here. Be careful.
Here.
Yes.
There is nothing like that now. Yeah, there is nothing like that. And you say you saw a python in our hotel.
Do I look like a joker? I saw a python here.
But there is no python here now. Can you see one?
Be careful, be careful.
Please, you are shouting. There is other people in this hotel.
You don't even know how to talk. Maybe you're not sleeping here anymore. Leave your things, let's leave. You don't even know how to talk. I'm telling you that I saw a python. Dress up first. Dress up, let's go. Nonsense. This is the only hotel again.
So?
Dress up, let's go. Amanda. 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 Baby, stop now. Wake up. Amanda. Why the strange look? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine? Baby, you're making me uncomfortable. Why are you moving at me like that? Open the door, you're not saying anything. What is it? Baby, talk to me now. What is it?
I'll show you something.
Feel free now.
Isabella, like I said, he'll be fine. He is hypertensive and he had the vasovagal attack, which is heart abnormality. And another one is that the way you pass the information to him is not the proper way to do so. You know, there are many ways to pass such information to people in a way that it will not hurt them. Okay? But don't worry, he'll be fine. Okay?
Thank you so much, Doctor.
You're welcome.
Doctor, please. Please do everything within your powers to revive my husband. He's the only one that I've got. Please.
It's okay. Oh well, he'll be fine, like I said. But right now, he needs some rest.
Sure. I do not intend to stress him.
Thanks.
Thank you. Tell me where I've gone wrong. Is it a bad thing that I told my husband that I know he's cheating on me? Why did he have to faint on me, making me look like the bad person?
Isabella, what you did is not wrong. You did what any other woman would do. I mean, it's your right to confront your man if he cheats on you. Yes. Just stop crying. Stop crying. Everything will be fine.
I don't want anything bad to happen to my husband.
Babe.
I don't want anything bad to happen to my husband.
Nothing will happen to your husband. Stop crying. I don't even know the problem with men of these days. They can't even stay one place, jumping from one hole to another. I mean, look at you. You are very beautiful. You are well packaged. So what does he want?
I don't know.
If you ask them now, they'll be like, hey, I don't like eating one soup. If I eat egusi, I'll eat this soup. Don't tell me. Somebody that makes soup like this, won't they purge? What's their problem? Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. You know, I don't like seeing you like this. Everything will be fine, okay? Please.
I just want my husband to be fine. I just want him to be fine.
Isabella.
How did my wife know that I'm cheating on her? To crown it all, she has pictures and videos. How? How?
Ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready to go. Please, forgive me, okay? I promise it will never happen again. I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.
No problem. I've forgiven you.
Oh,
I missed you so much. Let's go home.
thank you very much.
It's okay.
But baby, tell me, how did you get those videos? I mean the clips where I was cheating on you, how did you get that? Please tell me, I need to know, how did you get those clips?
We need to go home first. You're just recovering. Talk about it another time. Let's go.
Angie, babe, Angie, what's up now?
I'm good.
How is work?
I thank God.
Where are you headed to?
Just heading home. I went to see a friend.
Oh.
Yes.
Hop in and let me drop you.
Alright.
Angie, babe, Imwelia. All your problems are behind you. Okay, man. Angie, babe. Nekwala heavy deeds. This t-shirt.
This Chioma. So, how is your wife?
My wife is just there, you know. She's fine, she's fine.
Since you got married, you just forgot everything about me.
Baby, it's not like that, you know. Family is not this. I'm trying to balance the relation. So that they won't call me bad husband. But you know, I got you now. How is your evening going to be? I want us to do that in the church.
Wow, that's lovely. I'm very free.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. That means we'll see at night, eh?
Sure.
Yeah, I'll text you, okay?
You know, I will gain a lot from you.
Angie, baby!
I've really missed you.
I missed you more. You can live like a Sarah. Angie, baby! Somewhere. How about that? We got Jesse, man.
Like before.
I trust you now. How about Angie? The guy, back to back, front and back.
Sure.
Hey.
So he has started again. Steve cannot keep his mouth put to himself. Whatever happens to him is definitely going to be on him. Since I cannot confront him because of his heart condition. Fine. Let the bodies of his victim begin to pile up. Every girl Steve sleeps with would die.
Hello, baby. I'm in room 12.
So baby, how is it going to be?
Oh, very amazing.
Wow. Wow.
Baby! Baby! Hey!
Baby, the walk come on. You must be feeling it. I'm all alone for you.
Let no one watch yourself. Since you cannot be satisfied with what you have, anyone who tries to share you with me will get a bitter taste of me.
Baby. How are you?
Are you okay?
Of course I'm fine. I'm good. And you? How was your day? Hope you're good. Have you eaten?
If you're fine, then why are you sweating?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. My car AC is faulty, yes. But that's something mine. I will fix that. Are you sure you're fine? Have you eaten?
No. You know I know you too well, right? What's going on?
Baby, trust me, I'm fine. You look more beautiful. I'm coming, eh? Let me freshen up. This is serious. Any woman that sleeps with me dies after making love with me. It's like someone laid a curse on me. This is strange. 2 people are dead already after making love with me. But your wife, that is the confusing part. I sleep with my wife almost every night, yet she's fine.
Well, I suggest you seek for spiritual help.
How? And tell them what? That 2 ladies died after making love with me? To crown it all, my wife has the video of the first person. Yes.
My brother, this is strange. I suggest you stop cheating on your wife.
That's not possible now. You can love your wife and still cheat on her. I now see my wife as my sister. Are you getting me? Come on, you need to change your engine oil.
See, even when the same changing of engine oil have put you in this situation you are now, yet you don't want to rethink. Moreover, you know your heart condition.
Forget my heart condition. I want to must kill him. I'm on Jimbo alone.
My man. What? If you insist.
Your credentials are on point. And in fact, you did well in school. So I will give you the job.
Wow, you give me the job, sir. Thank you very much.
No, don't be in a hurry to say thank you, because you see, my current secretary is doing fine. Just that she's not loyal.
Okay.
You understand? In this office, you have to be loyal to your boss. That means you will do whatever he wants at any given time. You're not a baby. I hope you get what I'm saying.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. I promise to carry out my duty at any given time and more.
And more, yes. I like that, and more.
Yes.
Before the day runs out, we shall see about that. But the gospel truth is, you have to, the job is yours, but you have to do, like, I don't know how to put it.
Like, I don't understand.
What is severe Wolisi?
What do you mean by what is severe Wolisi?
Give and take.
That's not the problem, sir. Like, all I need is this job. I can't wait to get it.
Alright. Like I said, you say about that, okay?
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
the job, right?
Yes, sir. It's very, very important to me.
Good. Trust me, this is the shortest cut to the job.
Thank you. But the truth of the matter is that I've not done this before. Yes. It's due to the situation of the country. That's why I'm doing this. But you promised me not one will hear about it.
Come on. And the amazing that, trust me, no one will hear about this.
Are you sure?
I swear.
Okay. Let me just go wash up.
Please, wash it through.
I will. Promise nobody will hear it. Thank you very much.
God, please help me. Let this not happen to her. She is beautiful. If this happens, that means I am cursed. But who cursed me? Who could be behind this?
Yeah, baby.
You're so sweet, I enjoyed you.
Are you sure?
We have to repeat this once in a while.
I enjoyed you too. You're sweet, baby.
Thanks. Once in a while, you retweet. I retweet. I retweet.
Very sure.
Let me ease myself.
Okay, it's fine.
Listen, I hate pranks, please, I'm not a fan of pranks. Don't prank me. Baby! Jesus. Baby.
Steve, you brought these upon yourself, not me. I have sacrificed half of my life to make you who you are today, and what do I get in return? Constant cheats. I love you. I love you so very much, and I cannot do anything bad to you. But you will live in fear. You will live in fear anytime that you cheat on me. That I promise you.
Isabella, why are you so moody? Are you crying again? What happened?
Did I do something wrong loving my husband?
No. Love is a beautiful thing.
Then why does he always cheat on me?
Did I hear you say cheat? He did it again?
Yes. He did 2 weeks ago. And again today.
But how did you know about it? He brought her home?
No. In a hotel.
Hotel? Were you there?
I don't need to be there. I see everything.
I don't understand. How?
Do you really want to know who I am? Do you want to know how I get to know anytime to cheat?
Fine.
I'll tell you. I'm like a python. And my husband is like my egg. A python can stay away from his egg, but his eyes never gets off the egg.
I don't understand. I'm confused. Isabella, who are you?
Daughter of the Queen of the Dark Sea. I was sent to kill Steve because his grandmother gave him up for sacrifice. But when I met him, I fell in love with him. He was just an ordinary wheelbarrow pusher. I exchanged my immortality for his life. And my womb for him to be rich. So you see why I cannot stand him cheating on me? You see why I do not want to share him with anybody? I am a jealous daughter from the Dark Sea. I do not share. So I laid a curse on my husband that any woman he sleeps with will die.
Jesus Christ! Isabella! Can you listen to yourself? You mean if your husband cheats on you with 1,000 ladies, that means 1,000 ladies will die? Jesus Christ. Absolutely correct. Isabella, is that not wickedness? This is wickedness. Isabella, you know what? I want to go and get something. I'll be back. So you support him? No, Isabella. I don't support him. But I don't support you killing other ladies. That means you support him. That means you say nothing wrong
with him constantly cheating on me. After all my sacrifices. Now you listen. If you tell anybody what I just said, I will kill you. Know this. Anywhere that you go, anything that you do, I will know. You cannot leave.
Yes, Susan.
Very well.
How are you?
Good.
I want us to talk. Let's sit. I want to tell you the truth. Nothing but the truth. I've been cheating on you. Yes. I've not been faithful. Please forgive me. I am now a changed person. As you can see, I reported myself. I swear I will never ever cheat on you again. Please forgive me. It will never happen again. I'm now a changed person.
I know you've been cheating. Yes. I know everything. And I equally know what happens anytime you cheat.
What?
I forgive you.
Oh. Baby, you're such a beautiful soul. Thank you very much. Come here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
What is it?
Some people want to see you.
That must be Engineer Adamu and his boys. Let them in.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, sweetheart. I'm so happy. Thank you very much.
You won't do it again.
Trust me, it will never ever happen again. I'm telling you this, I cross my heart.
No, I love you so much.
Yes, sir.
Oh, baby.
Let them in.
Look.
Father, he's the one.
Excuse you? What are you doing here? Who are these people?
Woman, listen. I am not here for your questions. Your husband here pregnanted my daughter, and he must marry her.
First thing first. Watch how you talk to my wife, else you will lose your teeth. Yes. How dare you walk into my house and lie against me? Are you mad or something?
It's okay,
I said shut up and listen. You are in my house. Now, take a look at my beautiful wife. Look at me. This is the standard. You don't go below. So, telling me that I slept with this smelling, ugly looking thing It's an insult on my wife and my personality, okay? I will not take such nonsense in my house.
Stop this lie. Stop lying. So now I have body odor. Now I have body odor. When you were telling me to position as if I want to buckle my shoe, you don't remember I have body odor. You said I told you to use protection, but you refuse. Now look at the outcome and you're telling me I have body odor.
Listen, I don't know who paid you all to cook up this, but trust me, I'm losing it. If you don't leave my house now with this body odor, I swear I will do something the world will regret.
You cannot do anything. Listen, let me tell you, are you trying to tell me that my daughter here is not old enough to know who pregnanted her? Is that what you're telling me?
Your daughter is not only foolish, but she's confusing and annoying and disgusting at the same time. At this age, she could not even say that this is the person that got her pregnant. That means she's a stupid young girl. And like I said before, I am losing it. Leave my house before I do something. Leave my house.
It's okay. Since you are denying it, whatever you see, you take. My
friend, get out of my house.
Are you talking to me like that?
I'm talking to your ghost. Get out of my house.
Are you not afraid?
I said I'm losing it. Leave this place.
Shut up also. Hey! Let's go.
My love, I'm so sorry.
Don't.
Leave this place. Judge.
Don't come close to. Did you?
Don't believe them. No. Don't tell me you're believing them.
No. I can't take this one.
Wrong address. Are you trying to believe? No, now.
I can't take this one.
That's below standard. I can't even.
Steve, how can you?
Even if I'm drunk, it's not possible. Don't think about it. Listen.
Don't come close to me.
You see this life is no balance at all. If you not the mother, there are me very forma. Nuwa, the mother, there are me melaga. Nuwa, Stephen Ajam mother, you must equip in a man.
My love, you know how much I fear and respect God. On a normal, I'm not supposed to be doing this. I'm doing this just to prove my innocence. I swear to God with this Holy Bible, if I ever slept with that body odor, may I return to square one. May God destroy my life. May I suffer and suffer for the rest of my life. But if I'm innocent and they are trying to tarnish my image, their entire household will remain a subject of mockery. They will suffer and suffer and suffer until they understand that it's wrong to hurt an innocent man. I swear to God, my love, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Baby, listen. These people want to break our home. Don't let it happen.
What do you take me for? A fool? A toy who keeps her body for you while you go about sharing your feeling like some public toilet? Disgusting.
What is going on? Any dirty game I play hangs on my neck. Just one night fling with that body odor. And now she's pregnant. But why didn't she die like other girls? Is it because her father is a native doctor? Now my wife is aware. How do they even know my house? What's all this now? What sort of bad luck is this? Steve, are you cursed or something? Game where normal guys they play go scot-free. He reach my own belly enter. If my wife finally finds out I'm responsible for that pregnancy, I'm finished.
I give you my word, you say betray me, money, you say betray me.
Why didn't you tell me that your father is a native doctor?
Did you ask me the occupation of my father? How do you expect me to tell you? So it's not my fault because you didn't ask.
Listen and listen real good, body order. If your plan is to break my home, it will not work. You cannot force me into being a father. Are you getting me? So it will not work. Stop this nonsense.
Were you expecting me to tell you that I'm pregnant when you've already promised me marriage? Were you expecting that?
Over my dead body will I marry a woman that's you stink. You have body odor. I can never marry a woman that has body odor.
So you've forgotten. Let me remind you.
Ebony Black.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Are you the one selling banana?
Yes, sir.
Hey, that's too beautiful. How is the market?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Okay. Ebony Black. How much is this one?
It's 500, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Put up for nylon. Ebony. See your milk industry at some point. Even your back house. Do you stay around here?
No, sir. I stay around the neighboring town.
Neighboring town?
Yes, sir.
So you don't stay around here?
No, sir.
What's the name?
My name is Chioma and Mom.
Chioma?
Yes, sir.
I call you Ebony Black. I want you to be my friend, yeah, but I'm a no. How much is this one?
500, sir.
Oh, Ebony Black.
Sir.
You said it's how much?
500, sir.
500?
Yes, sir.
I will pay 3,000. Keep the change.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This is my card, eh? I would like you to bring banana to our office.
Okay, sir.
Me and my colleagues will buy.
Sir, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Come again, please.
Scare them on your door. She never used chemical wash everything come out. See breast. I'll chop this one. I'll chop up the nuts. As I'm already smell like this, the engine will see get that original order. No, we feel it chemical system. Matanka. Mata. a natural girl with natural body. She never do where I can come wash out. The original hot dog. The original hot dog. And how about the top? They come on high. Your breast judge, and that's my facing car. Banana syrup.
That is the conclusion. Once the document is approved, every other thing falls in place.
Okay. All right. I will mail them in 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yes. In the evening, I'll call their manager to see how to follow it up.
Okay. 30 minutes is not bad.
Okay. You may leave. Let's come. Ebony Black.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. Sir, here's the banana you asked for.
Okay. Please, my brother, feel free to pick one banana.
Okay. Okay, let me manage this one.
Sir, I need to leave so I can attend to other calls.
No, don't worry, okay? I will buy all and pay more. Ebony Black. Please sit and feel free. Sit and keep your banana. Sit and keep your banana. I don't bite, Joe. Just sit. It's 1 month.
I should sit.
Yes. Relax, sir. Listen. From that very day that I bought banana from you. Okay, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Steve Daniels. I'm young, rich, and famous. To crown it all, I'm single and searching.
You?
Mm-hmm.
How can you be this rich, handsome, and yet single?
Because I'm not interested in all these pinging girls. Most of them are Delilahs, looking for a young man to destroy. But look at you. You are original, natural. Look at your hair. No lash, no lipstick. So the original scent is even still there. Hmm?
Oh, okay, sir. I will think about it then. I'll come back to give you feedback, sir.
Opportunity like this comes once in a while, yeah? So take advantage of it. Listen, I promise I'll be giving you money.
No, sir, I've not done this before.
What? Are you saying you're a virgin?
Yes, because you see that.
I wonder. You're a virgin. Relax.
Sir, please. Please, sir. Please.
Wait, just listen. Does you like your buckling your shoe? You like your buckling your shoe? Like your buckling your shoe? You will like it. I'll give you money. I'll buy everything.
I've not done this before.
Relax. Just do like your buckling your shoe. Do like your buckling your shoe. Do like your buckling your shoe. I swear to God, I can't even believe I slept with this disgusting thing. You stink.
Why are you so deceitful? Remember you told me that you're single and searching, that you don't have a wife at home, not knowing that you have a wife. Now you're coming to tell me that I want to sell
You are a fool to believe whatever a man is telling you. You should know when a man is talking to clear and when he's serious. Are you supposed to believe whatever I say?
But you said it.
I was saying those things just to make love to you and go. Eh?
So now this is the outcome. Who is to be blamed?
Listen, you cannot break my home. You cannot destroy my house. Are you listening? For your own good, delete this. Go and get rid of that thing. Go and get rid of that thing for your own good. Nonsense. Body order.
Steve! Steve!
Excuse you. You need to step aside. Are you deaf? You're standing in front of my car. Step aside.
Some things are mysterious.
I'm not going to ask you again. Get out.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Chioma. Chioma, the banana seller that is pregnant for your husband.
Oh! How could I not recognize the body odor? What do you want?
Tell your husband to do the needful. I am carrying his child. Have a nice day.
Tell your husband to do the needful. But she can't be pregnant.
You see this life in no balance at all. If you ndị mmadụ adịrọ m imeli fọma n'ụwa, ndị mmadụ adịrọ m imelaga n'ụwa. Steven ajọ mmadụ, you must equip in
Friday is choked already. Let's make it Tuesday. Okay? Tuesday next week is fine. Alright, I'll check and get back to you. Welcome, darling.
So it's true.
What's true?
It's true that you got that girl pregnant.
Come on, baby. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about that disgusting Chioma. Steve, you swore to me. You told me you don't even know who the girl was. Steve, that girl wants to break my home. She wants to break our marriage. What wrong have I done?
Listen. You can't be listening to outsiders against your husband. Those people want to break our home. I swear I know nothing about what you're saying. She's below standard. I can't. Okay? I know nothing about what you're saying. Trust me. Okay, her father claims to be the eye of the gods. With that position, he should be able to know who is responsible for her daughter's pregnancy. My hands are clean. I'm innocent. Please. Come on, stop. You're breaking my heart. I hate to see you like this. Please come. Huh? Please.
Touch me.
Please,
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Baby, please. I did not. Please, I didn't, okay?
Don't touch me. Don't.
Jesus Christ. Hey, look at this native doctor. What are you doing here?
Which native doctor? There's nobody here.
Come on, baby, look at him now. Look at him here. What are you doing here?
You evil man. Leave my husband alone. Leave now or I make you leave.
Steve Daniels. You're trying to be stubborn. I give you 7 days to come and marry my daughter, or you face the consequences. Do not say I did not warn you. Makeri meweke. Hadashi!
Could this be a dream or what?
This is no dream, my friend.
Why must they be forcing you to marry her? Just because she's pregnant for you? Even giving you 7 days ultimatum? Until what? But see, I'm surprised. How did you manage to touch that dirty, stinking girl?
I told that girl to abort that baby, but she refused.
Oh, you even suggested that to her?
Of course I did. But she said no to the idea.
Did she know that you are married?
Yes, I told her I'm married. But she and her father still insisted that I must marry her.
See, the best thing to do now is get an apartment for her, provide everything she needs. Once she delivers the baby, you pay her off.
I have also suggested that, but to no avail.
This is no longer funny. See, you have to call a spade a spade. Go straight to your wife, tell her the truth.
That girl is bent on destroying my home. She's doing all this because her father is a native doctor. Yes. If not that her father is a native doctor. Bros, this one like a case now.
See, Steve, just forget all this stuff. Go straight to your wife, tell her the truth. Don't lie to your wife again, because she may even have solution to all this, or suggest something that could help the situation.
Women are evil. Women are evil.
Not just women. Men are dangerous. Had it been you stick to your wife, all these stories would have not existed. See, your story have taught me a very big lesson. Before I toast any woman, I will first of all ask her, who are your parents? Before I go into trouble, I don't want to, all this kind of nonsense that we are just facing now, I don't want it in my life.
Baby, can you imagine? They are forcing me to marry that dirty, disgusting thing that has body odor. She's even carrying another man's child. To crown it all, they gave me 7 days. 7 days to marry her, else I will face the consequences. Baby, now tell me, what have we done to deserve this? What is going on? These people are bent on shattering our home. Baby, why are you not talking? My life is in danger here. Do you want them to kill me? Or do you want me to bring in that ugly thing here? Is that what you want? What are we going to do? Baby. Baby. Friday is choked already. Let's make it Tuesday. Okay? Tuesday next week is fine. Alright, I'll check and get back to you. Alright. Welcome, darling.
So it's true.
What's true?
It's true that you got that girl pregnant.
Come on, baby. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about that disgusting Chioma. Steve, you swore to me. You told me you don't even know who the girl was. Steve, that girl wants to break my home. She wants to break our marriage. What wrong have I done?
Listen. You can't be listening to outsiders against your husband. Those people want to break our home. I swear I know nothing about what you're saying. She's below standard. I can't. Okay? I know nothing about what you're saying. Trust me. Okay, her father claims to be the eye of the gods. With that position, he should be able to know who is responsible for her daughter's pregnancy. My hands are clean. I'm innocent. Please. Come on, stop. You're breaking my heart. I hate to see you like this. Please come. Huh? Please.
It's actually
I swear, man.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Baby, please. I did not. Please, I didn't, okay?
Don't touch me. Don't.
You are trying to be stubborn, eh? You were given 7 days to come and marry my daughter. 3 days have passed. Nothing happened. I see. You are taking us for granted. No problem.
I can't see. Help! Help!
What's going on?
I can't see. I can't see.
But your eyes are intact.
Please take me to Chioma's house.
Oh, stop all these jokes. It's very expensive.
Hey. Chioma's father just left here. I'm sure he's behind this. Please take me to his house. Tell him I'm now ready to marry his daughter. Please.
Alright.
Please.
Just stand up, okay? Stand up.
Steve Daniels, you don't have much time. Just come and marry my daughter. I don't want a history to repeat itself. Do you understand? I said, do you understand?
Yes.
Just go. Get out! Remember, no time for you again. Every male who can watch. Only a madam bossing dinner, so you saw. Where's you? Mama. Every beke, Aratunako, Usege, Ayopetabo. Ah!
No.
Steve Daniels, what is delaying you? You don't want to fulfill your promise by coming to marry my daughter.
Okay, stop tormenting me. Relax. I have agreed to marry your daughter, but I'm still finding it difficult to convince my wife. Anytime.
I don't want to hear that. I can see you are stubborn if you not learned your lesson. You will see.
after you? Who's after you? Sorry.
I will confess. Sorry. Bring water.
Water. Sarah is after you now.
Please.
Sorry. Where are you? Mama, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what.
Where's your car? What's going on? Why are you like this?
My car is on WC Road.
Bring his car. What's going on? Stop! You're scaring me now. What kind of attitude is this?
Stop. I will confess.
Who are you talking to? I'm the only one here.
I will confess. I will confess. I will. Yes, I did it. Yes.
You did what?
I will. I will. Yes. I'm the one that got Chioma pregnant. Yes. I impregnated Chioma. I'm responsible for her pregnancy.
You got her pregnant? Steve!
I'm sorry. The womb. Hi.
After all I've done for you, I sacrificed my womb just for you.
Hello, please. I know I messed up. You have every reason to be angry. In fact, you should be disappointed in me. Please. Let me marry this girl for the sake of my life. Please, my wife is on the line here. Please.
No. I will never let you bring another woman into this house. It will be over my dead body.
Are you telling me that you don't care about my life? These people, Charlie Boom, they want to kill me. Please. Like I said, I promise. It will not, in fact, it will never affect the love I have for you. Okay, check this out. Do you prefer I stay with you and die, or marry her and leave? Which do you prefer? Please, I know I messed up, but forgive me. Please. Let me just marry her for the sake of my life. Please. Please. They want to kill me, please.
Isabella wanyama, iko dibezenu, ogoli marabidia, dibezio, ezibo wanyama, iko dibezio.
What is this fat, disgusting, low-class maggot doing in my house? Don't tell me to calm down. Where do you think? Get out! I said get out! If you come here, I will let you. Are you mad? Tell her to leave. You get out of my house. Leave. No, stop it. Stop it. Don't do what? This girl. Stop. Steve. No. Steve, stop it. Leave! You don't want to leave! Leave my house! I said leave my house! Get out!
In this life is no balance at all. If you not the mother, there are me very forma. Nuwa, the mother, there are me melaga. Nuwa.
Babe, you have to get yourself together. I know what Steve did is not right. But you can't keep being like this. I don't like the way you are. You have to calm down, okay? Everything will be fine. Please. Please, okay?
Why is my life like this? Why does it seem like I'm being punished for an offense I know nothing about? Do you know what I've suffered in this marriage? I have watched Steve cheat on me countless times. I forgave him on different occasions. But bringing another woman into this home, pregnant for him, That is what I cannot take. No. I can't take this one.
Babe, I'm so sorry for everything. I understand how you feel. I don't know why Steve is doing this to you. Even if he wants to do something at your back, you will have used protection. This is not right. Baby, you're not. I want you to do something for me. Can you just put yourself together? This is not the end of life. Okay?
I just want to think on what to do.
Stephen.
Who's the boy now?
Yes.
And I'm hoping you might do my
Let's be one, please. I don't have strength. One is okay.
Two.
No. You don't have strength, please.
It must be two boys. Baby, listen, tomorrow I will take you out for shopping.
Oh, that would be nice. Wow.
Pick whatever you want.
Oh, that's my baby.
Bills from me tomorrow.
Wow.
I will spoil you tomorrow.
Oh, I'm blushing.
What really happened? Why didn't I see this earlier before now? Was I blind when all this were happening? No, I wasn't. But what will I do now? My husband no longer cares about my feelings.
Baby, as I was saying, tomorrow I will spoil you.
I trust you.
When I say I will spoil you, I mean I will spoil you.
I believe you.
I will buy the whole shopping mall for you. Your new name is Mama Boys.
That's sweet. Hello, honey. Yes, dear. Okay. Okay. I'll do that when I'm done with him.
Since you have decided to give me sleepless nights in my husband's house, I shall send you to a sleep of mode. Eat this food and die.
Love you too, baby.
What is actually happening? Why is it difficult for this smelling fool to die and leave my husband alone? Or does it mean she's more spiritual than me? What is actually protecting her? Well, whatever it is, I will mercilessly deal with her. Her powers are still learning. This is not the end. More wars begin. I can never give up. I'm ready to do anything to secure my home. I can let her take my husband just like that after all the sacrifice I made because of him. Not possible. I will see to the end of this battle.
Honey. Okay, I'm coming to open the gate for you. So where did this Udoka go to? Udoka!
Fool, you think you are wise. I think I have to call my husband and inform him that Chioma is dead. She's still alive? I'm just confused. This thing is not working. All my efforts have proven empty. Things are really getting out of hand. I need to do something. I need to get my husband back. But what do I do? After giving my husband this food, he will love me so much till death do us apart. He will love me and send that fat, disgusting maggot away. So shall it be. Babe, your food is ready!
love. Where have you been? Please, my love.
Isabella.
Don't touch me, you mad.
Love, please.
Isabella.
My love.
What has gone over you?
You've missed who?
My love, please, come and kiss me.
What is wrong with you? Stop!
Please.
Get out!
Stop!
Get out!
Isabella, stop! Stop!
Please, a kiss.
Listen, no!
You have missed you.
Are you okay? Are you alright? What are you saying?
Miss you, please come and kiss me.
You missed who?
A kiss.
You're crazy! If you come close to me again, I'll break your...
Please.
Stop!
Just a kiss. Just one kiss.
Oh my God.
What's wrong with this fuck?
What is going on? Stop! What do you mean by the kiss?
My love,
Are you okay? I said stop!
What's all this? Does it mean that I'm not powerless?
What kind of a mistake is this? Abortion meant for my husband bounced negative. Things are beginning to get ugly.
What can I do?
My room. Ew! Like disgusting fat maggot.
I missed you, baby.
You missed me?
Yeah.
Hey! Don't talk to me. Calm down for what? What is this?
Just a kiss.
A kiss from who to who? Jesus!
So if not that my father is a strong man, I would have been lusting after that witch and then lose my husband, my Obi. Hey!
Powers. You think you have powers? You forgot I'm the daughter of your mom. Do your worst! Do your worst!
You really do not know me. You think because I'll allow your old scumbag of a native doctor father to come into my house and destroy it, I am weak? If you provoke me.
So what can you do? What can you do? Oh, you think by turning into a python that I will run? Well, I am not afraid of you. I am stronger than you. And I command you, if I be the daughter of Mo, I command you to turn back to your normal self, else I will pin you and you will remain a python for the rest of your life.
Baby, God, Jesus!
Oh, stand up! Get up and fight! I thought you had powers. Do your worst! Look at him. Look at her. Fool! You don't know the daughter of Mo. Look at her. Come and challenge me. Come and challenge me. I will show you that I have powers. Powers stronger than you.
My brother, wonders shall never end. What I saw with my two naked eyes is unbelievable. I never knew I married a python as a wife.
Python? See, you don't need to take that, okay? You have to just rest first. Take care as your home. Amaka!
Sir.
Okay. Go to the kitchen. Prepare something delicious.
Okay, sir.
I'll get for my friends. Fast. Amangi mwalogi kamoki mwolobi. Odo kukebo. Butu. Soon, all these things will be a bygone.
I hope so. I just hope so.
Madam, please forgive me, don't kill me. Don't kill me, please forgive me. Hey,
Stand up. Stop being afraid, eh?
Madam.
No one will hurt you here, okay? No one will hurt you. Just feel free to enjoy your job here, okay?
Madam, you mean I should take my bag inside?
Relax. Calm down, okay? No one will hurt you here. And then listen. Whatever happened here today, do not, Udoka, I repeat, do not tell it to anyone. Do you understand?
Okay, madam, I understand.
Take your bag.
No, madam. Jesus, you should take my bag inside. What of Oga?
Don't worry about him. He's fine. Just go.
Hey! This is a critical condition. Oh.
So I have been living with a python all this while as a wife. This is still unbelievable. My wife, a python.
Steve, see, you are a man. The best thing to do right now is to go home and settle with your wives. Okay?
I should go home and settle with my wives.
Yes.
People that are fighting. To crown it all, it's not even a physical fight, but a spiritual fight. One is a python, the other one I don't even know, and you're asking me to go back home and make peace. How? If you and me, will you go back to that house?
Steve, spare me that. Okay, is it better you stay here and leave everything getting worse? Steve, the best thing to do right now, as I said before, is to go home and settle with your wives.
Not at the expense of my life. My wife is a python. How can you be asking me to go back home?
Okay, see, remember this. If anything happens to these people in your house, you will be held responsible. Yes, because you brought all these things by yourself. See, go home, call your wives, and talk sense into them. I believe they will understand. Yes.
At the expense of my life, I should have talk sense into python. Do you hear yourself?
See what you are going to do now. See. One, if you get home, pretend that anything they want, okay, you want it, no problem. Just from peace. You gotta do anything to restore peace in your home. then you just file for a divorce. You can do it. See, you can do it.
Steve, please.
Stop. Steve, I have to excuse you guys, okay? Talk with her.
Be careful. There's someone there right up.
Steve, please, I need to talk to you.
Don't come any closer.
Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I scared you. Just ignore what you saw and let's go home, please.
I should ignore what I saw.
Steve.
Sorry, I can't ignore a python.
But this choice you've made is not nice. How can you bring your family secrets to your friend's house? Let's go home. You don't need to be here, please.
You never told me that you are a python. Yes. I can't go back to the house.
Steve, I love you so much. And you have no idea the sacrifices I have made for you. Take a flashback to how I met you. A wheelbarrow pusher. Suddenly things turned out well for you and you think it's a miracle? Steve, I sacrificed my womb for you to be rich, and that's why I cannot conceive. Does that tell you how much I love you now? Let's go home. Please.
You sacrificed your womb for me to be rich.
You see this life is no balance at all. If you not the mother, there are me many for my Nwa. The mother, there are me melaga. Nwa. Stephen Ajam mother, you must equip in
My co-wife, I want us to talk.
Talk about what? What do you want us to talk about?
Please, I want peace to reign in this family. I want us to live as a happy family. I do not want anything bad to happen to my our husband. I know what I've sacrificed to make him happy and financially stable. If I've wronged you, please forgive and forget.
If it's coming from your heart, then there's no problem. We're fine.
Thank you. So on that note, I would like us to go and bring my husband back home. I tried talking to him, but he's scared that if he comes back, we'll kill him. Please, let's go to Mr. Jeff's place and plead with him to come back.
It's okay. Then when do you want us to go? Now. Are you sure about that? Yes. Okay. Baby! Babe! Baby! My love! Babe! My love! What is it now? Babe, please open your eyes. Babe, please don't do that. Open your eyes! Please! Babe! My love. Obi! Udoka!
I'm sorry. We lost him. Just calm down. This moment.
Why are you asking me to calm down? Steve. Baby. Doctor, why is he not talking? He's no more. Doctor, don't ask me to calm down. That's a lie. Babe? 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 Steve! Doctor, what's happening? Why is he not talking? Doctor! Steve! Steve! No, doctor, tell me you're joking. Doctor, what's going on? Doctor, what's going on? Doctor, do something. Why are you asking me to calm down?
Yes.
Very well.
How are you? I want us to talk. Listen. I want to tell you the truth. Nothing but the truth. I've been cheating on you. Yes. I've not been faithful. Please forgive me. I am now a changed person. As you can see, I reported myself. I swear I will never ever cheat on you again. Please forgive me. It will never happen again. I'm now a changed person.
I know you've been cheating. Yes. I know everything. And I equally know what happens anytime you cheat.
What?
I forgive you.
Oh. Baby, you're such a beautiful soul. Thank you very much. Come here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is it?
Some people want to see you.
That must be Engineer Adamu and his boys. Let them in.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, sweetheart. I'm so happy. Thank you very much.
You won't do it again.
Trust me, it will never ever happen again. I'm telling you this. I cross my heart.
No, I love you so much.
No, sir.
Oh, baby.
Let them in.
Father, he's the one.
Excuse you? What are you doing here? Who are these people?
Woman, listen. I am not here for your questions. Your husband here pregnanted my daughter and he must marry her.
First thing first. Watch how you talk to my wife, else you will lose your teeth. Yes. How dare you walk into my house and lie against me? Are you mad or something?
It's okay,
I said shut up and listen. You are in my house. Now, take a look at my beautiful wife. Look at me. This is the standard. You don't go below. So telling me that I slept with this smelling, ugly looking thing is an insult on my wife and my personality, okay? I will not take such nonsense in my house.
Stop this lie. Stop lying. So now I have body odor. Now I have body odor. When you were telling me to position as if I want to buckle my shoe, you don't remember I have body odor. Besides, I told you to use protection, but you refuse. Now look at the outcome and you're telling me I have body odor.
Listen, I don't know who paid you all to cook up this, but trust me, I'm using it. If you don't leave my house now with this body odor, I swear I will do something the world will regret.
You cannot do anything. Listen, let me tell you, are you trying to tell me that my daughter here is not old enough to know who pregnanted her? Is that what you're telling me?
Your daughter is not only foolish, but she's confusing and annoying and disgusting at the same time. At this age, she could not even say that this is the person that got her pregnant. That means she's a stupid young girl. And like I said before, I am losing it. Leave my house before I do something. Leave the house!
It's okay. Since you are denying it, whatever you see, you take. My
friend, get out of my house.
Are you talking to me right now?
I'm talking to your ghost. Get out of my house.
Are you not afraid?
I said I'm losing it. Leave this place.
Shut up also. Let's go.
My love, I'm so sorry about this. I'm so sorry.
Leave this place.
Judge.
Don't come close to. Did you?
Don't believe them. No. Don't tell me you're believing them.
No. I can't take this one.
Wrong address. Are you trying to believe? No, now.
I can't take this one.
That's below standard. I can't even.
Steve, how can you?
Even if I'm drunk, it's not possible. Don't think about it. Listen.
Don't come close to me.
My love, you know how much I fear and respect God. On a normal, I'm not supposed to be doing this. I'm doing this just to prove my innocence. I swear to God with this Holy Bible, if I ever slept with that body odor, may I return to square one. May God destroy my life. May I suffer and suffer for the rest of my life. But if I'm innocent and they are trying to tarnish my image, their entire household will remain a subject of mockery. They will suffer and suffer and suffer until they understand that it's wrong to hurt an innocent man. I swear to God, my love, I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Baby, listen. These people want to break our home. Don't let it happen.
What do you take me for? A fool? A toy who keeps her body for you while you go about sharing your feeling like some public toilet? Disgusting.
choice you've made is not nice. How can you bring your family secrets to your friend's house? Let's go home. You don't need to be here, please.
You never told me that you are a python. Yes. I can't go back to the house.
Steve, I love you so much. And you have no idea the sacrifices I have made for you. Take a flashback to how I met you. A wheelbarrow pusher. Suddenly things turned out well for you and you think it's a miracle? Steve, I sacrificed my womb for you to be rich, and that's why I cannot conceive. Does that tell you how much I love you now? Let's go home. Please.
You sacrificed your womb for me to be rich.
I sacrificed my womb